Hi everyone, welcome to Cheryl's Stitch and Stash. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to show you my finished Star Wars quilt. I finally finished it. My husband's been waiting for this quilt since December and it is done. So let's get started. So here is the Star Wars quilt, well, at least part of it. So what I did is I did 8.5-inch squares and 2.5-inch sashing with 2.5-inch cornerstones. So I'm going to give you a close-up. Okay, thank you to my top quilter, Cindy Dunlap. She owns So It Is Quilt Shop. She did a wonderful job on this. And as you can see in the design, they are the Star Wars ships. And that is done all over the quilt. Let's see if I can find more. Here's one over here. And what I did is I just put on the same binding as the border. And I made that material into the cornerstones too. Let's see if I can find another spaceship on here. I really didn't want the spaceships to show up too much on the front because it would have taken away from the fabric. I've got, oh, there's one. Okay. And here's another one. It's really cool. Cindy did a great job. And right now, upstate in New York, we're in phase 1, and it's curbside pickup only. But if you go to the So It Is, I'm sorry, the So It Is Quilt Shop online, she has all her fabric there. Now, the other shop quilt shop that opened was the Patchwork Angels Quilt Shop. Great staff, they helped me a lot. I finally got some fabric that I needed to finish another project. And Rose is the shop owner over there. And if they don't have it, anything that you want, you just call and ask and she could probably get it for you. It just depends on what you need. I will list the information below. But thank you to Patchwork Angels Quilt Shop and the So It Is Quilt Shop. As you can see, today is a beautiful sunny day in upstate New York, and I have made sun tea. Does anybody remember that? So what I did is I took 2 tea bags and put them in the mason jars. One has sugar in it, that's my husband's, and the other one has honey and lemon in the other, and you just let them sit in the sun. And then later on you put them in the refrigerator and there is your sun tea. So thank you for visiting my channel today. Happy quilting, happy stitching, and have a great day.